this is just a tip for you guys. So there's a fantastic way which only works for indexes, but it works incredibly well. Maybe because it's just for indexes. That's the reason why it works so well, and it's little known, and it's very, very powerful. And it's called market internals. And market internals, it's a special way how to read the overall market. So market internals are a special kind of data provided by exchange, and this data tells you what is the whole tendency of the market as a whole. So you're basically seeing and assessing the entire picture of the entire stock market. You know how a couple of thousand stocks behave on that particular exchange every second, and you can extrapolate a lot of valuable things from this, knowing how all these market stocks behave in general. And you can get a leading indicator. You can build a leading indicator or leading edge that really can let you know what's going on a little bit ahead, and you can apply this information on indexes, and this way you can filter a lot of drawdowns, a lot of bad trades, and you can improve your metrics like average trade, net profit, and you can do it again only with indexes.